What's up YouTube, Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to restore your car's emblem that's faded and cloudy. The product I'm using today is by Wipe New. This is for headlights, but I think it's going to do the same on this cloudy emblem. This is a 2017 Acura MDX, and you can see up here this is all sun faded and completely washed out. I don't know how well it's showing up on camera, but it really is faded bad. And I'm going to also restore the headlights on this vehicle, but I just wanted to try the same exact product on the emblem. Now this kit does come with microfiber rag here with some rubber gloves and a little sanding pad, and then right here is the actual product. Don't open this yet, save that until you're all ready for it. Now they just say to pour a little bit of water over the headlight, or in this case the emblem, to determine if we need to use that polishing pad. So since this is cloudy still when wet, I'm going to go ahead and use this polishing pad on this. I'm first going to use the green side. Now you could tape this off, but I'm just going to be really careful because this just has a nice soft foam edge. As long as we don't scratch this, we should be fine. Now that this is wet, you can kind of just wet sand this. All right, let's give that a little rinse. Now we need to switch to the light gray side here. So let's just do the same thing. All right, and then let's rinse that again. That already looks way better. All right, now we need to dry this off and re-inspect and make sure that the oxidation is all gone, as far as any cloudy spots or anything. So really got to make sure this is completely dry before we move on to the next step. All right, now before we can put on the Wipe New product or open that, it's important that you put on the little gloves that they give you. All right, so now we're ready for the Wipe New product. It's important that you're in a well-ventilated area. Outdoors is ideal. And when you're done with this, make sure you set it out somewhere to dry, away from children, that it can just completely dry out and then you can get rid of it. So let's go ahead and just open this, and it's got a little saturated cloth inside there. Now this is important that we only wipe this one time. Don't go over this multiple times. And I'm just trying to be careful to not get any on the chrome surface here. In hindsight, maybe I should have taped that off. And that's it. That's all you need to do. Now, if you did get any on the chrome, of course, you could probably just wipe that off, but that's it. Now, it's important that we don't get that wet. Don't lean on it. Gonna let it dry for about an hour. Don't get it wet for at least a day. And there's the finished product. Real happy with how that turned out. Glad that I decided to do that. I mean, I knew it was kind of a chance because really didn't know if this was the same composition as a headlight lens, but looks like it worked out perfect, and I'm real happy with it. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up that same product as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.